Hello everyone, myself Ranjita. Currently I am pursuing MCA in DOS in Computer Science in Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. Today I am going to present about the project that is facial emotion detection using artificial intelligence. Let's see the contents of my topic. These are all the contents of my topic. That is introduction, problem statement, working of project, system requirement, project life cycle, proposed work, system description, advantage, disadvantage and application, future work, snapshot, conclusion and references. Then coming to introduction. Facial expression is one of the most powerful, natural and universal for human beings to convey their emotional states and intentions regardless of national borders, race and gender. Facial emotion detection system that can detect a person's intentions or emotions by using deep learning and artificial intelligence technology. The system works on CNN, that is convolutional neural network, for extracting the physiological signals and make a prediction. The results can be drawn out by scanning the person's image through a camera and then correlate it with a training dataset to predict one's state of emotions. Then coming to the problem statement. Generally, there are many methods to recognize the type of emotion being expressed, but the output ultimately depends on the accuracy of the algorithm, and there is another case needed to be considered. If the algorithm predicts the probabilities of different emotions equally, it is difficult to decide the emotion. We need to improve the accuracy in order to correctly classify the emotion. This can be done using a hybrid model, combination of artificial neural network. Then coming to the working of the project. This system can detect the live emotions of the particular user. System compares the information with a training dataset of known emotion to find a match. Different emotion types are detected through the integration of information from facial expressions, body movements and gestures, and speech. The technology is said to contribute in the emergence of the so-called emotional or emotive internet. Algorithm involve the use of different supervised machine learning algorithms in which a large set of annotated data is fed into the algorithms for the system to learn and predict the appropriate emotion. Then coming to the system requirements, hardware requirements, laptop or PC, i3 processor system are higher, 4 GB RAM are higher, 100 GB ROM are higher, webcam enabled or an external camera, GPU enabled system, example NVIDIA. Coming to software requirements, laptop or PC, Windows 7 are higher, XAMPP or WAMP server, text editor that is Notepad++, camera drivers, GPU drivers. Then coming to the project life cycle. The waterfall model is a classical model used in system development life cycle to create a system with a linear and sequential approach. It is termed as waterfall because the model develops systematically from one phase to another in downward fashion. The waterfall approach does not define the process to go back to the previous phase to handle changes in requirement. The waterfall approach is the earliest approach that was used for software development. This is the working diagram of the waterfall model. It consists of 6 phases. First phase is requirements, next is analysis, next is design, and then coding, and then testing, finally implementation. Then coming to the proposed work. Classification of the emotion through face recognition is very important that can be helpful to know a person's feeling towards a situation. In this regard, we are proposing a method to identifying the emotion of persons in a situation. We propose to classify the type of emotion being expressed by using Navy Bayes in combination. In Navy Bayes, we calculate the probabilities of each and every variable for each and every class labels, which is a conditional probability. Then we predict the class label which has the highest probability as output. Navy base gives good performance and accuracy when compared to many another algorithms. Navy base can be used for both discrete as well as continuous variables. Then this is the workflow of proposed framework. First we have to start the process. Then data is read data set. Then read data is inputted to the data processing. Then data processing is divided into two parts, that is feed forward neural network and Navy base. Then output of the feed forward neural network is again connected to the Navy base. In another part, image of user captured. Then captured image is converted into pixels. Then converted pixels are inputted to the Navy base. Then Navy base algorithm detect the emotions and gives the output. Then process will be ended. Then system description. The system comprises one of the major module as follows: user. That is user. User just have to run the project and the system will automatically fetch the emotion from the webcam or camera. Then advantages and disadvantages and application of this project. Coming to advantage, it can be used in multiple AI tools to get user feedback and no need of human interventions. Then limitation and or disadvantage: internet connection is mandatory. Application is this system can be used by any user who wants to explore artificial intelligence. Then coming to the future work, emotions can be predicted using this hybrid model of feed-forward neural Navy base, but when the image is converted into pixels, if we are not able to classify the emotions as the dataset consists image pixels of different people and this pixel is totally different from all others. To overcome this, we may use a multi-layer perceptron, that is MLP, rather than the feed-forward neural network, as we can update the weights by calculating the error in output. Using Navy-based multi-layer perceptron model, it can overcome these and can be able to increase the accuracy and performance. Then this is the snapshot of the program. It shows the API it shows the output like API. Then it shows the output like surprise. Then conclusion: identification of emotion is crucial in identifying a criminal, which we do not consider in most of the cases. Researchers have performed analysis using different algorithms for classification. Though there are many algorithms for emotion analysis, these may or may not be accurate. In this regard, our proposed model would be useful in predicting the emotion and most probably fear in the application of criminal detection with higher accuracy than that of other models. Then these are all the references I used to make video, that is IEEE papers. Then thank you everyone for watching my video.